Hi, my name is Sarah Friesen. I'm the Assistant Director of MSP Operations for the Metropolitan Airports Commission.
Hi, my name is Mark Rudolph. I'm the Planning Manager of our Field Maintenance Department here at the Metropolitan Airports Commission.
Hello, my name is Wayne Steele. I have worked for MAC for 22 years in the shop as an equipment mechanic specialist, shop foreman, and now fleet manager.
Hello everyone, my name is Charlie Boyning, and I'm the Operations Manager of Field Maintenance.
I started out in aviation in high school. I studied and did the required hours for my pilot's license when I was 17. I always knew I wanted to do something in aviation. I went to college and earned 2 degrees, a bachelor's in aviation management and a master's in aviation safety. I also received my MBA.
As fleet manager, I am responsible for the equipment repair shop and our staff of mechanics, welders, equipment service workers, and parts technicians. We repair and maintain the MAC-owned fleet of over 500 pieces of rolling stock and over 250 pieces of equipment. Includes police, fire, trades, maintenance, and staff vehicles.
As the Operations Manager, I'm responsible for the maintenance and cleanup of all the airport grounds and facilities. This includes, but is not limited to, roadways, runways, taxiways, aprons, parking structures, lots, signs, turf, landscaping, sidewalks, light rail platforms, fencing, and security gates.
As a Planning Manager, I work closely with the Operations Manager and the Fleet Manager. Another one of my specific roles is to manage our snow and ice control operations.
Often, I think of it as 2 seasons within a year. Winter operations, meaning snow and ice control operations at our airport, and the other season, construction maintenance.
Our teams are responsible to maintain over 85 miles of airfield concrete. Snow removal is what drives our field maintenance employees. Snow removal on an airfield actually takes an army of men and women. Our 6 snow fighting teams are made of dedicated personnel who work collaboratively and train consistently year-round. Once the snow event is over, our women and men are now responsible for cleaning around 8,000 runway and taxiway lights, removing miscellaneous snow piles, and of course maintaining and prepping their equipment for the next battle that may lie ahead.
In fact, we are world-renowned and have won many rewards for our airport snow and ice control operations.
You need to be a jack-of-all-trades type and not be afraid of new challenges and equipment.
I am proud to work for such an organization who places an emphasis on employee and customer safety, teamwork, and willingness to collaborate our ideas.
The MAC is an exceptional organization, and those within it do not necessarily look at their work as a job, but as a career, a calling.
The best part about working at MAC is the variety of equipment and the differences between them.
The number one thing I love about my job here at the MAC are the people. There are not 2 days that are the same, and I enjoy working for a place that connects so many people to their destinations in a safe and efficient manner. And all the airplanes are pretty cool too.